Hello fun and learn student of class 8th. Now in this video we will start our chapter 14 of Civics. The chapter name is the United Nations Organization. So let's start this chapter. Now before going deep into this chapter, let's pay attention towards some of the difficult questions that comes in my mind. Pay attention. Now there are so many countries in the world. Some are powerful countries, some are dominant countries, some are tiny nation, some are a small nation, some are medium nations. Now what will happen? The first question arises in my mind that what will happen if a powerful country attacks a weak country in any part of the world? Then what will happen? What are the implications in the world? Second question, suppose in any ocean like Pacific, Atlantic or Indian Ocean, these are the oceans which belong to these are regarded as the international territory. But suppose a reserve of gas and crude oil is discovered in these areas, in these oceans, and some countries try to capture these resources and they are prepared to wage a war against other country and try to threaten the other countries. Then what will happen in the world? What will be the implications? This is the second question. Third question which can be considered that suppose any country ban the aircraft movement and ship movement permanently within its territory and try to threaten the other country as well. So what will happen? These are three important questions that I have put before you, and just think over it, what will happen. Now these questions are related to the world peace, and these are some difficult questions. So what will happen if this kind of scenario broke out in the world? So in the absence of any international organization which could formulate the international laws regarding these questions, definitely a war would erupt and it could trigger a world war, possible world war. And now with the weapons of mass destruction, there is nuclear weapon and the destructive missiles that some countries in the world possesses, if there would world war broke out, it could wipe out the whole of the mankind from the face of the earth. So the answer to these difficult question leads toward the formation of an international organization of such kind like the United Nations Organization. In order to maintain peace around the world, an international organization like United Nations Organization is necessary, which could maintain worldwide peace. So this is United Nations Organization. United Nations Organization is an international organization. Countries of the world are member of the United Nations, and all countries are member of the United Nations, and they are agreed to abide the rules and regulation of the United Nations, and they are committed towards the world peace. So this is the significance of United Nations Organization. Now let's discuss some historical background of United Nations. All of you know that the world has seen two world wars and the death, destruction and devastation of the Hiroshima and Nagasaki in Second World War. The world has seen this. So when the First World War was ended, League of Nations was formed to prevent the Second World War, but it was failed to prevent the Second World War because of its weak and very weak design. So after Second World War, after Hiroshima and Nagasaki, this need was felt around the world to create an international organization which could prevent the possibility of future war, especially nuclear war, and to maintain the world peace. So that's why United Nations was formed and it was created. So I think you have understood the United Nations Organization, its significance, its formation. We will discuss more about it in next video. So thank you students, thank you very much.